see your guy lose concept. So this is another Sunday for another tutorial, another test effect tutorial I'm going to share with you today. So you know what to do. Click on subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and turn on notification button so that you are going to be notified when I draw another video on my YouTube channel. So you can do it. So let's start now. Let me delete all this one. I'm going to start it from scratch. So the background, let me change the background. I want to start it from scratch for you. So click on plus button, click on it, and click on this one, the first one. And after click on this one, click on this one also. So you see, click on it. So now click on this pencil you're seeing upward, click on it. So you are going to add our first color. So FF, our first color is FF A2. So you are going to write it down A2. So click on mark sign, click on OK. So for the second one, this one, after click on this one. So as you do the first one, so click on this one. So click on the pencil. Now the code for this second one is FC400. Click on mark sign, click on OK, click on OK. So you are going to click on this one. So click on it. After I click on it, so click on OK, click on mark sign. So these are background that I use for the 3D test effect. So let's move. Let's go and write our test. The test I use is dream. Alright, so click on OK. So increase the size to 122 is okay. Place it on the center. So this is not the font I use. The font I use is Olivia. See this one, this font. Olivia Sans both ears. So click on after this font. I will share with you. So this code. So click on it, click on OK. So you're going to curve it. Click on this curve. You are seeing this curve. Click on it and increase it to 10%. 10% is okay. So place it in the center. So let's go and add our shadow. So this is our shadow. So enable it. So increase opposite to what? To 89. Decrease to 89. You're going to decrease to 89. 89 is okay. Leave this blur radius to what? To 10%. This one increase it, you reduce it to -7. Now you can reduce this one to +7. So let me change the color of our shadow. The color code of our shadow is the color code of our shadow is 8 F2 000. Click on mark sign, click on OK, click on OK. So good, this is the color. So click on mark sign now. So now we have done with this one. Let's go and add our 3D test effect. Click on enable it. So go and off this, disable this one. After disable it, so we're going to click on this applicable. You did this step to 3 is okay. So this now reduce to 40%. So this one to 260. 260. So to 260. So now you have done with this one also. Click on mark sign. So the color for the main text, is so this is the color for the main text. The code is EFEF EF EF FEF. So this is the color for the main text. Let me show you. You see? So this is okay. Okay. So now I'm going to copy this one. Let me place it on the center first. So I'm going to copy it. So now, let me work on this one. I'm going to add the stroke. I'm going to add a stroke to this one. So the scrolls increase to 32. The scrolls were doing 32. And the same color I use. So now click on this. So I'm done with this one. Click on mark sign. So let me place the center by clicking on the relative position. So click it. So let me knock this one out. Can knock it. So place this one on the center of this first one. So we are going to work on this second test. So now the color code for this one, the color code is gradient. So color code for this one is this one. So let's work on this one. The color code for this is F 0 CA 00. Click on mark sign. Click on OK. Okay. So for the second one, the second code, the color code is FF E751. Click on mark sign. Click on OK. Oh, this one. So let me write this one. The color code is FF E751. Click on master. Click on OK. Click on OK. Wow, this is the color code I use. So I'm going to add a stroke. So the stroke I use is, so it increases to 7. The color code for the stroke I use, so you are going to change it to gradient. So the color code for the color code I use is what? FF 300. FF 300. Click on OK. On OK. Let me write it. So FF 300. Click on OK. Click on OK. So for the second one, FF 7603. 7603. Click on mark sign. Click on OK. Click on OK. So change to this one. So click on OK. So this is the what? The stroke color code I use. So let's add a shadow. I'm going to add a shadow to this one also. So the opposite must be 100%. The oblique will reduce it to 5%. Why this offset x reduce to -4. This one reduce to +4. Click on mark sign. So you know what you do now? You are going to place it on the center, place this one on the center, and copy it. So after copy it, so we are going to add this emboss to this one. So Embos reduce. So now increase it to 275. 275 is okay, or 276, anyone. So 275 is okay. So now this ambient light reduce to 30. 30 is okay. 30. So this one to 40, this brave to 30. So let me increase this one small. So it's good like this. Let me work on this one. So very beautiful like this. So good. Click on mark sign. So you can knock this one. You can knock it. Firstly, place this on the center before you knock it. So now knock it now. So you know what to do with this one now. So you are going to remove the shadow. Remove all the shadow. The stroke reduce to 0. So the 3D test, we are going to use this one to 0. So the stroke must be to 1. Increase this 1. So back to 3D first. So the darkness must be 40, everything must be the same thing. So now good. The color, so this one, the color code we're going to use is no. So this one. So you are going to this thing you are going to place in the end here. So click on OK. So back to the stroke. Our stroke color is B7 ICIC. Normal sign. It says invalid. B7 ICIC. Oh, I think B. So this is the code for this one. So this is the code of this one. So click on OK. Click on OK. So good. So let's add our what? Our style is in here. So this is it. This way I choose it. So copy it. Paste here also. So you do this one small. So now knock it. You can knock all this one. So let's play our star here. So we're gonna add a shadow to this one. Shadow. So white shadow. So now you have two with our test effect. So we move. We meet in the next Sunday. Thank you for watching.